In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable cookies on your Google Chrome web browser, a vital step for seamless browsing. But before we delve into the details, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to customize your browser settings. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Open your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right-hand corner of your browser, click on the three dots menu icon to access the Chrome menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down to the section labeled Privacy and Security. Within this section, locate and click on Site Settings. In Site Settings, under Content is Third-Party Cookies. Click on this option. You'll be where you can manage your cookie settings. Google Chrome recommends that the toggle button should be enabled to allow sites to save and read cookies. If, for any reason, the other toggle buttons are enabled and this one isn't, simply enable the Cookies and Site Data toggle and disable the others to align with Chrome's recommendation. By following these steps, you ensure that websites can save and access cookies when you visit them, improving your browsing experience. If you wish to view the list of cookies stored by various websites, you can click on the option that says See All Site Data and Permissions. This will display a list of websites and the number of cookies they have saved in your Google Chrome browser. Enabling cookies is a fundamental aspect of web browsing, as it allows websites to store and retrieve information efficiently. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement inspires us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials and helpful content, be sure to visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with enabled cookies on Google Chrome.